Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, your friendly English teacher. Today we're going to explore what it's like to work at Starbucks. Along the way, we'll learn some useful English phrases and speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's get started. At the beginning of a shift at Starbucks, you need to get ready and prepare your workstation. Let's start with some basic phrases. You can say, I'm starting my shift, or I need to prepare my workstation. Repeat after me. I'm starting my shift. Great. Now, I need to prepare my workstation. Excellent. Let's gather the necessary items. Cups, lids, straws, and napkins. Repeat after me. Cups, lids, straws, napkins. Well done. One of the most important tasks at Starbucks is taking customer orders. Here are some useful phrases. What can I get for you today? Or, would you like anything else? Let's practice. Repeat after me. What can I get for you today? Excellent. Now, would you like anything else? Great job. I'd like a grande latte, please. Sure.
A grande latte.
Would you like any flavors added? Yes, please. Can I have vanilla syrup? Course. A grande latte with vanilla syrup. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Perfect. Your total is $4.50. Please proceed to the payment counter. Now let's make the drink. For a latte we need espresso, steamed milk, and a bit of foam on top. Here are some useful phrases. Pull the espresso shot and steam the milk. Repeat after me. Pull the espresso shot. Great. Now, steam the milk. Excellent. Let's put it all together. First, we pull the espresso shot. Then, we steam the milk and pour it into the cup. Finally, we add a little foam on top. And don't forget the vanilla syrup. After making the drink, we need to serve it to the customer. You can say, here's your grande latte with vanilla syrup. Enjoy. Repeat after me. Here's your grande latte with vanilla syrup. Enjoy. Perfect. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Sometimes you may encounter challenges or customer complaints. Here are some phrases to help you. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, and let me fix that for you. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Great. Now, let me fix that for you. Excellent. My drink isn't hot enough. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me fix that for you. Here you go. I've made sure it's hot this time. Enjoy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. At the end of your shift, it's important to clean up and restock. You can say, I need to clean the workstation, or I need to restock supplies. Repeat after me. I need to clean the workstation. Great. Now, I need to restock supplies. Excellent. Finally, you can say, I'm ending my shift, or see you tomorrow. Repeat after me. I'm ending my shift. Great. Now, see you tomorrow. Wonderful. Thank you for joining me today at Starbucks. I hope you enjoyed learning these useful English phrases and speaking skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these phrases in real-life situations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English learning content. Until next time, see you soon.